Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a very fall inspired look. As you can see, fall just decided to throw up on our face today, and I was not playing no games with the colors like you see. I did a poll on my Instagram to see if y'all wanted me to do bridal makeup or a fall AF makeup, and literally like 99% of you wanted this video. So if you wanted this video, I expect you, that 95%, to watch this video, okay? Don't make me do videos for nothing now if you're not even gonna watch it, because that's just rude. So if you wanna see how I got this particular look, then just keep on watching the video. I know we're like super up close and personal, but it's needed for today. So we are going to do a very fall AF type of makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be going in between the Bulk collection and this NYX Ultimate Palette. And so the first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade in the Ring the Alarm palette, and this is called Access. And we're going to build up some colors and then blend. So I'm going to pack some colors on and then blend them out. I'm just going in with a packer brush, and we're going to place this right here in front of the brow bone. If you hear like a barking noise, that's my dog. I got a new dog, y'all. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. I post a lot of things on my Instagram. And she is just barking her head off. Like, I had to put her in the cage because she just doesn't act right when I film. I'm going in with this yellow shade just to brighten up the color. I might go in with the shade next to it. I gotta see how this yellow builds up. Yellows don't really do well on my skin tone for some reason. Like, they look super patchy, but we're gonna pray about it. And we are keeping this right in this third of the brow bone. So now that we have that yellow down, I'm going to mix between two shades. So I'm going to mix this shade Alert and then this shade Secure right here. And we are going to place that next to the yellow shade. I'm going to go back into that yellow just to blend these two colors together, and so we don't lose some of that yellow pigment. So the next color I'm going in with is this red shade. I might go in with a darker red depending. I just got to see how this color looks, okay? And I'm taking the same brush. I'm wiping off my brush as we go. So now I'm just gonna blend. I'm taking the blending E36 brush by Sigma, and we're just gonna blend out this line up here so it looks a little bit more seamless. I do need to get my eyebrows done because they are looking atrocious right now. And I'm gonna take a concealer that's super, super light, because I want these shades to be nice and vibrant. So this is the concealer that I'm going in with, the color. It's the ColourPop Concealer in Medium 30. And I'm just going to carve out my lid. Okay, now that I have my lid carved out, We're going to do one eye at a time. So I'm going to work with this eye first. So I'm going to deepen up the crease part. I think I'm going to add like a purpley brown shade. Okay, so I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going in with this shade right here. I don't know what the name is, but it's next to the black. So I'm going to deepen up the crease with this color. And I'm taking the same Sigma E36 brush. So I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to go in with my MAC 212 brush. And it's okay if you go below where we cut the crease because we're going to go back and recut the crease. So now we're going to do the lid. So basically how the lid is going to go, whatever I put on the outside, I'm going to put on the inside and work my way out. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is this outer corner color, that dark purpley brown shade. I'm going to use the shade Guilt Trip from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and we are going to put this kind of like towards the center, but kind of towards the outer part of the eye. As you can see, this is what we are working with right now. It's not the shade I'm looking for. So I'm actually going to take a different shade. I didn't really like that shade. I'm gonna do this color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna see how this color looks. Hopefully it's not too dark of a gold. So I ended up taking the shade Coin in the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and it gave me this nice yellow gold that we were looking for. So now we are going to blend this edge. So I'm going to take the orange and the red shade. I'm taking the red shade. I'm dipping into the red shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette instead of the NYX Ultimate. So this is more like a brick red. And I'm winking this out and feathering it so it's nice and blended. I'm going to take that black shade and we are going to deepen this outer corner just so it flows. So that is it for this eye. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the face. Okay, so I decided to do my face off camera. It's the same, so it gets real repetitive and boring. But I decided to do my under eye off camera, but I didn't do it for this side because I wanted to show you guys how I did it. Okay, so for the lashes at the bottom, I just colored them in with the LA Colors Jelly Glam Metallic Eye Color. And this is a jelly-like pigment. And I'm taking this on a very small liner brush and I'm just going to paint my bottom lash line. So that is it for the eyes. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. So we are going to do blush, obviously. But I don't know. Should I do like the burgundy? So we're going to take this shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to use this as a blush. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going in with the new LA Colors Highlight and Bronzer. And this is in the shade Luminous. This is what it looks like. They actually sent this to me in PR package. So I'm going to take these two bottom shades and highlight with them. You might not even need the other shade. So for lips, I'm going to do an ombre with the same colors that I use in this eyeshadow look. So I'm going to do black, red, orange, yellow. And we're going to see how that looks. And I'm taking the black by Burst Cosmetics. Y'all already know. Alright, so this is it for the fall as fuck look, okay? It don't get no faller than this, okay? No faller than this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and join the B.O.M.B Squad. We are the realest squad on the internet, so join the squad, okay? Don't forget, we also are doing post notification shout outs, so subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon notification so you can get notified every time I upload. And then in the comment section of this video, comment done and you could possibly be shouted out in the next video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.